Hey everyone! Canon PowerShot V1 is a compact camera designed for content creators and video enthusiasts who demand high-quality footage in a portable form factor. Positioned as a direct competitor to Sony's ZV-1 series, PowerShot V1 sets itself apart with a significantly larger sensor, advanced video capabilities, and an integrated cooling system, making it an appealing option for professionals and aspiring filmmakers alike. At the core of PowerShot V1 is Canon's newly developed 1.4-inch CMOS sensor, the largest ever in a PowerShot camera. This sensor is nearly twice the size of the standard 1.0-inch sensors found in many compact cameras, allowing for improved image clarity, superior low-light performance, and richer color reproduction. Paired with the powerful DIGIC X processor, the camera delivers a resolution of 22.3 megapixels for still images and supports an ISO range of up to 32,000 for photos and 25,600 for videos, ensuring versatility in a wide range of shooting conditions. The built-in 16 to 50 mm f2.8 to 4.5 zoom lens offers a broad field of view, making it ideal for both handheld vlogging and shooting in tight indoor spaces. Its variable aperture allows for good background separation while maintaining sharpness across different focal lengths. Unlike many compact cameras that struggle with prolonged recording sessions due to overheating, the PowerShot V1 features an active cooling system, a rarity in this size category. This enables the camera to shoot 4K video at 60 frames per second with a 1.4x crop and an uncropped 5.7K oversampled 4K at 30 frames per second, ensuring sharp, high-quality footage with minimal thermal constraints. For filmmakers and colorists, Canon has included 10-bit Canon Log 3, a professional-grade recording format that enhances dynamic range and allows for more flexibility in post-production color grading. This makes the PowerShot V1 a strong option for those who want to fine-tune their footage for a cinematic look. Autofocus performance is another highlight of the PowerShot V1, thanks to Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF2. This technology delivers fast and accurate subject tracking with intelligent detection capabilities for people, animals, and moving objects. Paired with built-in image stabilization, the camera ensures smooth handheld shots, reducing the need for additional stabilizing equipment. For photography, it features an electronic shutter with an impressive 30 frames per second burst mode, making it capable of capturing fast-moving subjects with precision. Connectivity options are robust, including USB-C, HDMI, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi, making file transfers and live streaming seamless. The camera can also function as a webcam without the need for additional adapters, an increasingly essential feature for content creators. Additionally, a dedicated photo or video toggle switch allows users to maintain separate settings for each mode, streamlining the transition between still photography and video recording. To cater to professional audio recording needs, the PowerShot V1 includes both microphone and headphone jacks, providing full control over sound quality. A built-in 3-stop ND filter helps manage exposure in bright conditions, and a multi-function hot shoe expands compatibility with external accessories such as lights and wireless microphones. Canon has announced that the PowerShot V1 will be released in Japan in late April 2025 with a price tag of $992. While there is no official confirmation regarding its global availability, the camera's specifications and features make it a compelling choice for creators looking for a compact yet powerful video-focused device. Thanks for watching. What do you think of this video? Write your opinion in the comments below. Have a nice day and God bless you.